I call myself a product designer, product design engineer, and technical leader. I've been designing medical devices and other complex electromechanical products for 20 years. Those include like surgical robotics, active implantable devices, medical disposables, and dialysis machines. Aspects of your services that stand out are kind of your actual knowledge of what the subject matter, and then also the kind of quality and expertise of your clients that are asking the questions. A lot of times the meetings that I go in with you all are really enjoyable to me because we have a very good in-depth conversation about the subject matter. And so I don't know exactly how you all are doing it, but you're doing a very good job of kind of matchmaking your client with folks like me so that we can have a really great hour-long in-depth conversation about the subject matter at a very kind of, in a way that we've known each other for years, but we just met, right? So. Honestly, I'm very interested in the subject matter, and your team does a very good job of kind of identifying what the call is about, what the client needs, and why it's interesting to me, and what about my profile made me interesting to you. And almost every time I'm like, oh, I really want to talk to them about this. This sounds really interesting. And so the curiosity draws me in. Yeah, I've actually recommended Dialectica to several other folks like myself, just saying like, hey, you got to sign up with these folks. There's really interesting things that you actually get paid for. And so it's been really fun, and I definitely would recommend it. My advice would be just take the kind of firewalls or IP or non-disclosure piece of it very seriously. And if you do that, it's a way, I love it because it's a way of recycling old knowledge that I thought was lost or nobody needed, and I still have. And maybe it's a project I worked on 5 or 10 years ago, but I still remember it. And it's a way of just kind of sharing my failures in that project with somebody else now, so they can make a product actually out of it without making those same failures. And I just really enjoy that part of it. My advice would be to enjoy it.